auditing process. Okay, just security is not alone. If there is some malicious activity that has been gone, and you need to perform some sort of an audit. So for audit, you need to know whether your fleet in the sense your group of devices together is called as a fleet, is good and trusted. Okay, so for that you can go with an audit. You can create your own audit and make and configure your simple notification services. Right? These are all your that can be done by you. This is related to AWS IoT services. Okay, you can see here analytics and device defender. Device defender, as I told you in the presentation, it is nothing but device management, basic things. Okay, initial defenders. Okay, now I will move on from AWS to Google Cloud. Since it is connected to my Gmail, it is directly accessing the Google Cloud platform. Okay. One second. Okay, it is asking for my billing information, so I'm not going to use my Google Cloud platform as of now. I'll just go with my existing presentation that has got the information related to Google IoT. Okay, it is very similar, nothing much. It is very similar to what is being done in your AWS IoT core. Okay, here they have just named it as Google Cloud IoT core. I hope my presentation is visible. Yes. So with related to Google Cloud IoT, these are all the various services that are associated. You can do all you can run a world of devices with Google Cloud as well as Amazon, and these are technologies. And components, okay, there is a device manager and there is a protocol bridge, MTTQ and HTTP. Okay. And this is what is happening with related to security. So you need to manage, authenticate, monitor with respect to your cloud publish and subscript model. In IoT, this term is cloud subscript and publish, subscription and publishing. Okay. So your IoT core offers the security features. Okay, here it is JSON web tokens. Okay, this is what I am supposed to deal with. Told you. So JWT, JSON web tokens. Right? Earlier they just used XML is not suitable. They just moved on with your JSON web tokens. So this limits the surface area of an attack because it focuses this web token is given only for a single device and not for the whole fleet. Okay, and it has got a time duration. Probably I've just come across it is 10 minutes or so. So compromise keys will expire automatically. And support for RSA or elliptic curve algorithm. Okay, you know very well this elliptic curve algorithm is very latest. So to verify the signature is provided. If people are doing research and who are focusing towards this elliptic curve algorithm, okay, can just give their own credentials, okay, and modify it and find it out. You cannot do attack simulations in Google Cloud or any cloud environment. Okay, but you can just modify some your own algorithms, etc. Okay, and obviously there is your TLS. Without TLS, as I told you, nothing is possible. Nothing you are supposed to do it in web as well as for IoT. Okay, transaction layer security and IAM is necessary. So provisioning credentials. So there is always a provisioner who creates a key pair, and one set is stored in the device and another stored in your device manager. And he is the one who is saying okay to it. And preferably, again, I told you, the hardware platform module can be used for this step. Okay, instead of this private key, your TPM chip will be more suitable, right? And this is the distribution of your JSON token with your MQTT and some of the device security recommendations. Okay, keep the private key secret. It should be unique, right? And ensure it is updated. The root thing is updated. Okay, and this I have shown it and the live demo. So 10 more minutes is there. Queries can be handled right now. This almost my presentation towards IoT and cloud security is completed. If you have got any queries, please post it and ask it. Yes, Vasant Raj sir.
Sir?
Yes, sir. My presentation is almost over. I skipped a few things
Okay, sir.
because
Okay, sir.
of time. Okay, because not, and
Okay.
maybe later on, maybe other people can handle it. Okay. And to my
Okay, sir.
extent, I have showed one simple introductory demo on it. Maybe in the next slot, next term, I can show it fully by connecting a device or so. Okay. Okay.
Sure, sir.
People can
It was
ask
very good,
questions.
sir. So,
Any
sir,
questions?
dear participants, you can ask a question. If you have any queries, please utilize the chat box. And even if you can able to ask directly, then unmute your voice and you can ask question. So Uday Kumar sir, somebody has been asked question in the chat box, sir.
No. is SQL
Whether you
injection
can
a
able
threat
to.
or
Yes, yes, sir.
it
Right,
is
sir.
SQL injection is a threat. Okay, is a threat, vulnerability and threat. Okay, vulnerability is a domain or some sort of a weakness. Okay, and the preferred thing is there should not be any SQL injection possible in your device. That is the thing. Okay, the thread should not be enabled. For that, you need to prevent it accordingly. If you follow the steps that are given with related to your this AWS, providing TLS certificates, providing JSON web tokens, etc., then it is very highly difficult for SQL injection to occur. This is my answer for the question posted at 11 o'clock. Anyone else?
Participants, anyone else having any queries?
You can post it in the chat box also. It has got a whole research focus, okay, as of now, with related to blockchain. People are working, those people who are interested to do future research, you can proceed with blockchain with based IoT security. Okay, blockchain is more or less used for security. So since n number of devices are there, you can just focus towards this IoT based blockchain security. And someone has posted Blue
So,
Giga
Tony,
APX4. Okay, to my knowledge, it is just a wireless protocol, a next generation wireless protocol. It is low power wireless modules that can be integrated with Wi-Fi or ARM devices, etc. More or less, more of the IoT devices go with this particular technology, but particular protocol, adopt this particular protocol. That's it. That is what I came across.
okay, anyone else? Participants, if you have any queries?
Okay.
So, Uday Kumar sir, actually, clear all the doubts, I think, sir.
Okay, sir.
So, from participant side, there is no any query, sir.
No issues, sir. Thank you. Later on also, you can just ping me for any query related to this IoT security. Thank you. Is it that, sir? Shall we close the
Okay,
session?
sir. With the feedback,
Hmm?
participants, if you have to say any feedback, you can unmute your voice and you can say it.
So that it will be helpful for me for the second, I mean, next month there is another slot. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I can focus towards that.
Participants, you can say your feedback of your, or you, at least you can able to utilize the chat box also for any feedback for this session.
At least I should know whether it is good or bad. At least put it in the chat.
Actually, that's not possible, sir. It's a very good session, sir, actually, to say that. Even in a theoretical point of view, and you have shown the demonstration that IoT is it's very good, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir, later on I will use the feedback for every session. I'm getting feedback for every session through Google Forms, sir. So
Okay,
later
fine,
on
sir.
I will
Please share it.
share
Please share.
the Google Form with you, sir. Sure,
Sure, sir.
sure,
Sure,
sir.
sir.
So
Okay, sir.
participants, the link has been shared with your chat box. Please utilize the feedback link. The link will be closed around 12:20 p.m. So before that, you can utilize the feedback link. Sir, Uday Kumar sir, Dr. Uday Kumar sir, very, very much thank you, sir, for
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
giving
sir.
your valuable time presenting this session and given an overview of that IoT of cloud security is very good, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So still, we have any participants have any queries or something, means through I will contact you through mail, sir. I think
Sure,
there is no query or no possibilities to ask anything, sir, because you have given a wonderful session, sir.
okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Very much thank you, sir. Thank you for the session, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
We'll contact you through
Okay.
mobile, sir. Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you. I leave, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.